Hello, this is Jari Wilenius from GreenSub Help Desk. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate GetResponse with ClickFunnels using HTML form. Sometimes integration with API keys is not working for some reason, so you need to use alternative method to do it to get going fast. This is how you can do it. Make sure that you are logged in both places, GetResponse and ClickFunnels. Go to the GetResponse tab first, like I'm here. You must have at least one list already done in GetResponse. Let's make one really quickly to make sure we have one. Go to the lists, click that. Create list. Name your list. List name must be unique, meaning that nobody else in GetResponse can't have the same list name. And list name must be only in lowercase, like this. Create. And now we have that list there. And as you can see, number of contacts is of course 0. Now I can go and click the list and add one contact there. I will add one of my email there to show you how to do it. Add contacts. First we have to select a list. We just made that list and we will select exactly that list, like this. And we add the contact by manually. And my email. And my name. And I have to have permission to add that person to my list. So I click here and add contact. Okay, it's added. Let's go back to our list. I click lists. And now you can see in here that I have one contact there. So let's check it. So my email and my name is there. So now we have a list and one contact added to the list. Next thing is what we want to do is create HTML form. Then we go to create form and we choose plain HTML. On the right side you can see some settings. Select the list what you want to connect with your ClickFunnels funnel step. And this time we will select the list we just made. We remove this checkbox. As you remember, in our ClickFunnels opt-in page, we required to have a name and email. So we have to add name. I will scroll down that you can see better. Email is of course there as a default. Then you have to add your thank you page address. So click here and here. Then you have to go to your ClickFunnels browser tab. I would go here, click that. And then you have to select your funnel, what you want to connect with. We go to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels. and select exactly that funnel you want to connect. Click here. In ClickFunnels, you have to select Thank You page. I click Thank You. And now you can see your Thank You page address. Copy that. Use only your keyboard shortcuts, not your mouse right button. It won't work. Ctrl C, copy. Then we go back to GetResponse tab, like here, and paste our Thank You page address here. Again, use only your keyboard shortcut. And I'm checking that the front of the address there's no empty space. And I also check that there's no empty space in the end of the link. I go down so you can see better. You have to select here forward data. Even it appears that it's already selected by default. It's not. You have to go here and click and select forward data. And then click to the table and copy. Select the form. Copy with the keyboard, Ctrl C. Go back to ClickFunnels. Select your opt-in funnel step and edit. And we go up here to settings and integrations. As you can see, it's not connected. Now we will do it. We will select HTML form and we will select action, integrate existing form. Click here. Now you have to paste your code. Again, use only your keyboard shortcut. Ctrl V. And please check again. There's no empty spaces. No. And click parser and save web form. Now it says it's connected, but it's not really connected yet. We have to do one more thing. We go down here. The form is not synced, not yet. So we have to select here name for name and email for email. And then we click away from the settings to close it. And then we go up here and save. Okay, now our ClickFunnels funnel is connected with your GetResponse list. Let's go and check it. We go exit here. And we will open a new tab. You can click here or you can click here to open it. I will click here. A new tab is opened in a browser and click Get Instant Access. Type some random email. Get Instant Access. And if you see thank you page, it's working. To double check, we'll go back to the GetResponse. Scroll down up. Go to the lists. Select our list. we can see now there's another email, contact. Click the list, and our random email is here. So it's working. Now you have integrated your GetResponse email list with your ClickFunnels funnel step opt-in. Thank you.